Rickey Henderson, Major League Baseball's all-time stolen base leader, passed away on December 20, 2024, at the age of 65 due to pneumonia. Over his 25-year career, Henderson set numerous records, including 1,406 career stolen bases and 130 stolen bases in a single season, 1982. He was a 10-time All-Star, the American League's most valuable player in 1990, and a 2-time World Series champion with the Oakland Athletics in 1989 and the Toronto Blue Jays in 1993. Henderson's dynamic playing style and charismatic personality made him a beloved figure in baseball. His passing has prompted an outpouring of tributes from the baseball community, with former teammates and officials highlighting his significant impact on the sport. He is survived by his wife, Pamela, and their 3 children. Henderson's legacy as one of baseball's greatest players endures, inspiring future generations of athletes. Early life and career beginnings. Born December 25, 1958, in Chicago, Illinois, Henderson grew up in Oakland, California. Drafted by the Oakland Athletics in 1976, Rickey quickly showcased his talent in the minor leagues, setting the stage for a Hall of Fame career. MLB career highlights. Debut June 24, 1979, with the Oakland Athletics. Stolen base records. Career record 1,406 stolen bases. Single season record 130 stolen bases, 1982. Awards and achievements. 10-time All-Star. 1990 American League MVP. 2-time World Series champion, 1989, 1993. Unique style. Henderson was not just a stats leader but a personality that defined baseball's excitement in his era. Known for his speed, power, and base-running instincts, he also brought flair to the game with his confidence and quotable moments. Later years and legacy. Retired in 2003 after playing 25 MLB seasons. Inducted into the Baseball Hall of Fame in 2009. Inspired countless players with his dedication and unique approach to the sport.